Hi everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. Today I'm going to make a quick and easy snack, buttery popcorn. There are only just a few things to watch out for successful popping without getting it burnt or soggy. Let's get started. Regular butter that we use has a low melting point than the 400 degrees Fahrenheit or higher temperature needed for popcorn to pop. I pop a batch with regular butter and it turned out burnt. So how is it typically done with butter? The secret is clarified butter, also known as ghee. Clarified butter is just regular butter that has been simmered for an extended period, after which the milk solids and water can be removed. Because the milk solids and water have been removed, it will not burn when cooked at high heat. And also it can be stored at room temperature because it doesn't require refrigeration. Clarified butter is commonly found in the grocery store's baking aisle, alongside cooking oils, shortening, sugar, flour, and other baking items. Types of popcorn kernel also play a role in the final texture and softness. It's a good idea to try different brands if the popcorn didn't turn out the way you expected. But keep in mind that older kernels may not pop as well due to the loss of moisture, staleness, and the deterioration of starch. Okay, get ready! We're popping now. Use roughly 1 tablespoon of clarified butter for each heaping tablespoon of kernels in 1 quart pot. This is good for 1 serving. Don't overcrowd the pot as this can cause the popcorn to overflow and excess of steam can make them soggy. Starting with a cold pot would allow heat to distribute evenly to the kernels and result in more even popping. Use medium or medium-high heat because lower heat may cause the steam inside the kernels to escape gently, resulting in improper popping. The butter should be enough to coat the kernels but not drown them. Too much butter can increase splattering as the steam released from the kernels mixes with the hot oil. Shake the pot constantly to ensure that every kernel comes into contact with the hot oil, promoting even heat distribution and preventing burning. When the first kernel starts to pop, cover the pot with a lid and leave a small gap for the steam to escape. Leaving a gap prevents excess moisture buildup, keeping the popcorn from getting soggy. The popping takes less than 30 seconds and the entire process is recorded here. Once it has finished popping, remove the lid immediately for the steam to escape. As a side note, you can cover the pot with a metal fine mesh stringer. It allows the steam to escape more efficiently and prevents the popcorn from popping out. The downside is that the oil can splatter out. Empty it into a clean larger bowl. Most kernels should pop provided there's enough space in the pot along with the right heat and proper air ventilation. Quickly add in 4 teaspoons of salt to taste. The salt sticks better on the popcorn when hot. If you're a big fan of butter, add another tablespoon of clarified butter to the hot pot. The residual heat should be sufficient to melt it. Add in the popcorn and coat it evenly. For a crunchier texture or fashion up old popcorn, lay it out in a baking pan and bake at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. This will remove all the moisture from it. You can also air pop popcorn without any oil for a healthier alternative. It's low in calories and fat and high in fiber. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.